Mark here with DIY Wise. Today we're going to work on my truck. I got some bad swirl marks and it's my fault. I was using a abrasive scrub brush to try to get some stuff off of it. I've used one in the past, it hasn't hurt it. I went to grab a new one and the new one took some of the clear coat off or scratched it. So let's see what we can do here. Alright guys, I don't know how good this is going to come out. I'm going to try to catch on an angle here. I can see it in person, but I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. It's just little spots where there was some road grime, rail dust, whatever it might be, contaminants that were on my truck. And I was trying to get them off, and I used something I always do, a little scrub brush, and it never bothers it, but I grabbed the new one, and guess what? It scratched it and I didn't realize it. Not sure if this video is picking it up or not, but hopefully it does. Walk down the side here. First, we're going to get some soap and water and we're going to clean this side off. Okay, so what I'm told is when the vehicle's wet, if you can't see any of the marks, you're able to remove them by compounding and polishing it. So from what I can see, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, the vehicle's wet, I just rinsed it off. I can't see any of the marks right now. So we'll get this all rinsed off here. I'll get it all dried up. Got my chamois here. We'll get this all cleaned off, dried off. Get all the water off and make sure she's completely dry. Okay, so today what we got here is Chemical Guys Torque Random Orbital Polisher. We got the polishing pad cleaner, the polishing pad conditioner, the V series polish and compound. We have the VSS scratch and swirl remover, and we also have various polishing pads, more abrasive pads that are for the compounds. Pick the one accordingly. This is going to be my first time doing this, so they say to start with the least abrasive. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to use the polish first. I'm going to use the V36. I'm going to try various products. I'm going to try that VSS too and see how it works. It is a combination of a compound and a polish. As you work the product into the paint, it sort of turns into a polish. It's more of a one-step. I'm going to try the V36 first. It is a compound and polish also. Let's get to it. First, I'm going to start right here on the front panel. There's a good amount of swirls and scratches and dryness. Hopefully this camera picks it up. Big spot here, spot here, spot here. I'm going to start right in that area and see how this works. So first we're going to start off with the Torque Random Orbital Sander. I'm going to start off with it on setting 1. We're going to get our orange pad, apply it. We're going to get our V36 polish and compound, shake it up really well, and apply 5 drops of this. Now we got our Chemical Guys pad conditioner. A couple sprays on that. We're going to blotch it. We're going to just pick a small area. We're going to blotch it on here. Alright. Then we got it on setting 1. I'm going to put it on here. Spread it out real quick. Alright, looks like we got the product spread out now. We're going to turn it up to 6, and we're going to go in a back and forth pattern, overlapping halfway, and then we're going to go up and down until it goes clear. Okay, I got myself some clean microfiber towels, so I've wiped it clean. I can already feel the difference where I applied it. Definitely smoothed it out. It definitely did do something. I could still see it here. Took a lot of it away. I could still see it here. It's definitely still there. I'm gonna have to work at it a little bit more here. I was scared to do it, but I might have to go a little more abrasive and then do that. So now we're gonna try the V34. It's a little more abrasive. Same thing, we're gonna blot it on here. Got speed 1, we're gonna spread it out. We got it all spread out, we're gonna turn it up to 6 now. We're gonna go over it until it goes clear. We're gonna flip our towel, wipe that clean, see what we got here. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see the difference here in the picture or not, but there's definitely a difference. I still got to go a little bit more. There's still some here. Took a lot of it away. Alright, next we're going to try the VSS scratch and swirl remover. Put it back on 1. Watch it. Turn it up to 6. Okay, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it definitely has taken most of it away. There's still a little bit there. I know if I use a finer polish, it'll bring it back. But we're going to do the rest of the vehicle with that and see how it looks here. Okay, now we're going to do the white pad, polishing pad, with the finished polish. The V38 over top of the area I did. Again, I'm going to put 5 blotches on here. Put it back onto 1. Spread it out. We got it spread out. Turn it back up to 6. Okay, after polishing it really looks a lot better. There's still some faint markings there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right here. Might have to go at it a little more abrasive. We're going to try a different area, go a little stronger. And if you guys can see it, there's an area back here is pretty bad. Okay, we're going to go back to the orange pad. I'm going to go a little more abrasive on this one. We're going to start off with a V34. Two squirts of the conditioner. Alright, we're going to the most abrasive I got. It's V32. Turn it up to 6. Alright guys, looks like that's a ticket. I think I got rid of just about all of it. I'm going to go over this whole side with that. I got to go the most abrasive. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys can see the difference here. I just finished up using the compound and the polish and everything. The VSS seemed to work the best for me in my application. I tried every one of them. If you can see it or not, there's a big difference. Try to take a look from the back here on an angle. Hopefully you can see the shine on there. This is Mark with DIY Wise. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and smash that subscribe button. Thank you.